AI is everywhere right now. Every product claims to be AI-powered. Every startup adds AI to its pitch. Every professional feels pressure to learn AI immediately. But here's the uncomfortable question. Are we overhyping it? To answer that, we need to separate visibility from impact. AI is extremely visible. It can generate text, write code, summarize reports, create images, and automate workflows. These capabilities feel dramatic and revolutionary. But visibility does not automatically equal deep transformation. Most AI today enhances workflows rather than replacing them. It improves productivity, reduces repetitive work, and accelerates decision support. However, AI still depends heavily on human oversight. It does not hold accountability. It can hallucinate confidently. It lacks lived experience and ethical responsibility. The hype comes from amplification, media headlines, investor enthusiasm, and social media exaggeration. History shows that every major technology moves through a hype cycle: excitement, inflated expectations, disappointment, stabilization, and maturity. AI is likely following the same path. The opportunity is not in chasing hype. It is in integrating AI with strong fundamentals. If you understand systems, data, security, and business logic, AI becomes leverage. If you lack fundamentals, AI becomes noise. We may be overhyping AI's speed of disruption, but we are not overvaluing its long-term impact. The future belongs to those who understand where AI adds value, and where human judgment remains irreplaceable.